Yeah, I'm coming.
I was walking like this. Yeah, I was thinking I'm a back like that. I didn't know what was
You
there.
definitely gotta watch.
Throwing grenades.
That was the standard German pistol round. They put it in submachine gun.
I think in the shade it would be nice. It's not.
It's nicer than in the sun.
There's that tree.
Yeah, this is about 1928.
Where's the only one you need it? I just put a lot. I just made my blisters worse.
Same round that was going with the model 1911 A1. Yeah, well, the 28s came with that option. But when it was modified to make production faster, it lost that capability. The only stick magazine, your fin and compensator went, your bolt was moved to the side. It was actually made thinner. You lost your rifle sight, so you just got a little peep sight, and your butt stock was fixed. How you doing? It's also found that you can carry more stick magazines than carrying a bunch of drum magazines. This is the M1 carbine. Here. Look here. This round would be fired out of your Thompson and your pistol. This round would be fired out of the M1 carbine. Yeah, you figured out 6 would be out of your M1 red, your AR, and your 3 cal. We're desperate. It's a government issue.
Yeah, right back here. And there's a mortar. See the mortar, buddy?
Oh, they got a little mortar? Oh, that's a mortar? I didn't know. Pop-up did mortars. Pop-up.
Yeah, this is a demonstration one. Because so that you can see how it all works. Here's the World War I version. You got your 8 rounds. Where'd that go? You got your 8 rounds. Go in there. Okay. And now it's semi-automatic gas operated. So you pull the trigger. Right? Now when you put the block in and close the bullet, it would chamber around. So you squeeze it, round fire, the gas would come down, escape out the bottom of the barrel, pushing the gas rod all the way back. This would slide back. There's a spring here. It ends the next round. The bolt would slam home, chamber next round. This is a real World War I. Yeah. Semi-automatic means one shot per trigger squeeze. Whereas there's 2 auto machine guns down here. Pull trigger, you got all the rounds going out.